Welcome back to Wanna Watch Me Code. So joining back, we had some issues with our riscv health broadcaster. So what it was, I was trying to figure this out earlier on stream and figure it out off stream, but basically, let's see if we can show you real quick. So there was like carriage return encodings in the scripts themselves. Really not sure how that happened, because that typically happens if you're going from a Windows environment to Linux. So not sure how that got basically corrupted, but just found this command online to run sed to replace the carriage return lines in each of the files. And then as you can see, if I run it, let's see here, we'll do report and we'll run our bun server for the dumpster fire to listen to these requests, and then we'll run it. Nope, so we got to do, whoops, to actually execute that script, and now it's running, and we can see that our health check information was reported. Probably gonna want to reduce the size of this, because the last time we ran it we exceeded the max request size, which we can update, but there's just a lot of information in here because we're dumping all of the processes from ps-a, I think, on the remote host, which provides a lot of information. So anyway, so that's what we got. Got dumpster fire running, and our what will run on the host, the health check report logic. So now let's go ahead and let's get started with our actual project today. So we'll open up a new window. We're in health check broadcast report, and just to recap what we're going to do today, because I guess I didn't go through that, but we are going to try and create a server-side application where basically we'll display all of this health check information and all of the riscv microcomputers connected to the network, and display them in like a portal with all of the information that we're collecting from them. Idea here is that we would be able to spin up this portal, and all of the the health check information will come in, and we can display it so that we can actually use that information. Specifically, the major thing we'll focus on is the getting the IP of each of the riscv instances and making it easy for us to find, so that we can then go on and SSH onto them, and then we'll go from there. We might make stuff where we can interact with the little microcomputers or riscv computers, do different stuff, but to start off we just want to kind of display what's on the network. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. I'll be doing this in bun, I think, so let me go ahead and update the description here. Whoops. Let's go edit stream info and bun. Let's do that, see what that does. Okay. Do we have any, let's get out of here because that goes really slow. Okay, and then let's check the messages. Nothing. Okay. Okay, so let's start off. Let's give this a creative name. What are we gonna do? Let's do one sec. Be right back. Gotta close this door. This kitty keeps coming in. Okay. So let's do what should we call this? Let's call it ocean. I don't know why. Let's just do ocean, and then we'll do readme.md. We'll do ocean, and we'll do riscv distributed network management platform. Okay, just so we can remember what we're actually doing here, we'll do bun init ocean. Let's do source index.ts. Okay, and got that. We'll do npm install save express. because I'd prefer to use Express. I know Bun has a built-in server library, but I want to have the option in the future. Whoops, I did npm, not npm. Let's do lsla. Let's do bun install save express. So installed express, 2 packages installed. What do we got here? Oh, we got bun lock. Let's do remove. Let's do get status. There is no get, so let's do let's just restart here. Let's do remove dash r source node modules get status ls remove bun package dash read we'll leave readme. Let's do that. Get status and then lsla remove get ignore because I imagine that was added. Do bun init again. Ocean. Oh no. Oh my gosh. lsla. Just do vim package and then we'll just do in here source / index. Okay. Bun install dash r save express and then let's see. We shouldn't have a package lock. We have a bun lock. Okay. So we got our stuff. Let's do make their source and then do move index to source lsla and then yeah, so we are started. Let's do vim and vim tree to get our tree. Go to source, go to index. Gonna get our import of express and then request response. Make the tabs a little better and then go from express. Okay. And then we'll just leave that for now. We'll do const port equals process.m.port. If not defined, then let's do 3000. Actually, let's make a new one. Let's do 5476 for some reason. And then we'll do we'll make this fancy and we'll do like that, and then we'll do parse. What is it? Is it parseInt? I forget. Is it? Or is it just parse? No, is it parseInt? Let's see. And then we'll do whatever. We'll figure that out. So const app equals express, and then we'll do app.get, and then we'll give the root path, and we'll do request res response, and then we'll go like that, make the function, and then we'll just do res.send hello world for first, and then we'll do app.listen, and then we'll do port, and then we'll do the callback method. We'll do console.log port. Let's do listening on port. Oh man. Okay, port. Close that. Okay, got that. Okay, now we should hopefully have. Let's go here. Let's go back. Let's open up a new window. Okay, what's the size of this? Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, lsla, and then we'll do bun source index. Okay, and this needs a comma. I figured it needed a comma. Okay, bun source, and we got that. We can go now to, let's go Chrome, and go new window, and then localhost. What was it, 4657? No, it's 5647. Let's see. What we're listening on 5476. Okay, and we got our hello world, so we're good there. See if we have any. No one in the chat. Okay, let's get back. Got it. Okay, so now what are we gonna do? I got hello world. Let's I mean maybe we can. Let's do let's install a logger just to be fancy. Npm no, bun install save Winston. Okay, and then we'll go look up the Winston logger. Let's go Winston logger. Winston, we'll look at the documentation. Require Winston. Okay, so we'll just do import. Let's see. Winston from Winston. And then we'll do Winston.log and Winston.log. Let's see if that works. Bun source index. Okay, so we need to level a log. Okay, so let's do just info, close that. Oops, open it again. Go bun source. There we go. So we got the logging. Attempt to write logs with no transfers, which may increase memory usage. Okay, we'll figure it out later. Let's just close that. We got a logger. Not too important. I also want to use socket.io. Socket.io. So we can just like install it, I guess. How do you install getting started? Require socket.io. How do you install? VS Code. Dude, why do they not just tell me what's it called? Tooling, project initialization. My first socket, common JSES module. Okay, where is? Okay, install Express app for. What the heck? Where is? Dude, what is? Okay, let's just go here. Why can't they just tell me the package name? Socket.io. Is it socket.io? Yeah, okay. Published 5 months ago, millions of downloads. Is this the right one? Is this the backers? Yeah, this looks like it. Okay, so let's do bun install socket.io. Is that it? Socket.io. Dash r save. Okay, got socket.io. Okay, got that. What are we even gonna do though? Okay. You know, I think I'm gonna do. So to share the information, I want to kind of keep the dumpster fire running in the back end and not exposed in the front end at all. And then I want to be able to access that information from here. Okay. So maybe actually, so I guess what could happen is we communicate through socket.io, right? So we'd have the backend service, the dumpster fire service, be a client of our socket.io service here in Ocean, and then it publishes to Ocean, and then Ocean distributes that out throughout each of the clients, or like clients in the browser accessing this site. So let's go ahead and look up how we do that. How do we do that? Okay, let's look at socket.io again. How's it work? Socket.io, add socket.io, server, create server, HTTP create server. It says HTTP standalone module, syntax, socket.io server. In conjunction with Express, here we go. Server require that, require socket.io app. Server, create server app, okay. I'm confused though, why do we need create server with app? What is it? Starting with 3.0 Express applications have become request handler functions that you pass to HTTP server instances. You need to pass server to socket IO, not the express application function. Also make sure to call .listen on the server, not the app. Okay, I'm just confused by what this even does. Okay, so let's decouple these. We'll have the Express app for serving down the page, the view, and then we'll have a separate socket IO app for communication. So let's create new something. I'm just gonna go here and do vim or cat. No, let's just do echo source. What should we name it? Let's do health socket.ts. Okay, let's go here, health socket.ts. Okay, and then let's go here. Let's get the John playing HTTP server 3000 standalone. Okay. Okay. App server. Okay, module syntax, new server. Okay, I like this one. Let's do that. Okay, let's go here, insert and paste. Okay, got that. And then how do we actually use it? iOS and connection. IO connection, testing backers. Okay, let's go to a socket IO example, I guess. Socket.io. Let's go to socket IO, reliable connection, socket emit hello world, socket on howdy. Okay, on hello, emit howdy stranger. Okay, so documentation, client server. Okay, how it works. I don't care how it works. Let's do server. The server instance. Generate ID. Initialize headers. Socket join. Make the magic sockets. Socket join room. Make all sockets in room 1, join room 2, and room 3. Okay, sockets leave room 1 in something. Disconnect sockets, I disconnect, fetch sockets. In room 1, fetch sockets. Okay, return all sockets, instances. Socket join, emit, leave, disconnect. IO connection. Data username. Okay. Oh yeah, still streaming. Let's see. Yeah. Server side emit. So what's this do? Server side emit. This allows to emit events to the socket IO servers of the cluster in a multi-server setup. Events, connect and connection. Okay, alright, let's just mess around. Let's do, what do we do? IO engine client, IO of socket at size, IO engine generated ID, on initialize headers, IO of, IO sockets join, what do we, in of, sockets await fetch sockets, IO in, IO the data attribute, IO data username, socket instance, emit on, socket on connection, on connect, okay, socket handshake, your other request, your socket I have rooms, connection log, join room. Okay, so let's do IO dot on, what was it, connection socket. Okay, socket.data.username Alice. Okay, so let's do socket.username. Is it socket.data.client ID equals, let's do just const, let's do okay, let's do UUID, generate UID, wait, what was that, dude? Okay, UID nodejs, okay. Let's just use this package. Let's do bun install save UID. Okay, I'll do import UID. What is it? It's like v4 or something. Let's do create a version for you. Timestamp reordered UID. Okay, let's just do v4. It's a capital. v4 from UID. Okay, and then we'll do v4. Okay, v4. What's v4 do? v4 UID bytes. v1 to v6. v6 options. Buffer options. String to validate. Command line. Okay, does it alright, let's see. So I got that. Okay, and we want them to join a room, right? Socket.join. Let's do health room. Okay, and then okay, got that. So this will create a unique ID for them. It will join a room called health, and then from the room health we will broadcast our health events. So then let's do send health event. Let's do function send health event, and then we'll do health event, and we'll just make that any for now, and we'll go ahead and do okay, we'll do what are we gonna do? We'll do socket dot, no, not socket, we'll do, what is it? IO fetch sockets associated IO on connection, socket username, upgrade the log, packet grade drain, close, connection, set username, okay, set middlewares, okay, connection, socket instance, socket on disconnecting, completed middlewares beyond your using multiple nodes handling cores, application structure, on connection, register order handlers, register user handler. Oh, there's handlers on order, create order. Okay. Okay. Maybe Usage with bundlers. Adapters advanced. Connection state recovery, delivery, how it works, memory usage. Using multiple nodes, a server instance, installation, initialization, client, socket instance, events, emitting events. Socket.emit hello world. Oh, it's a socket, okay. Connection, hero constructor, TJSON, okay, emit my event socket. Oops, volatile events. Model. Not sure what I need to do. Listening to events. On details. Wants listeners. Prepend any listener on any, off any. Okay, so maybe we can do on any listener events. How do you create a room? Validation, emitting events, broadcasting events. Oh, there's rooms. Server socket A, B. Socket emit hello world error. Hello. Oh, two. Okay, two room. Okay. So let's do. Okay, for now, let's just say. Ion connection broadcast emit, so that broadcast emit. Listening to events. Okay, socket on details on details. Okay, let's go back up. Let's do socket. Okay, let's see if this compiles real quick. Bun install, bun source, what is it? Health socket, server, can't find variable server. Okay, how does it? Okay, let's see let's go to back to here. Server require HTTP create server. App require fast and import server from socket. Server. Okay, so we need import create server from HTTP, and we'll do const server equals create server, and then we'll do server there, and then create server. Okay, so we gotta do server dot listen, and we'll do let's do IO dot listen. What? Oh, io.listen. Okay, let's do that. I think we want to make that lower too, right? Let's do that. Okay, V. Let's do D, and then go down here and do P, and then we'll do const port equals. Let's see, what was the other one? 4. Let's go 5, 6, 4, 7, 6. Okay. We'll make that configurable later, and then we'll do port. Okay. There we go. Socket join health room. And then we'll do let's do IO. Is it IO? Okay, where is socket that on, off, listening to events. Okay, broadcasting events. Let's do IO timeout the room. IO local emit. Oh, local. You want clients that are connected to the current server, you can. Okay. Okay, so let's do IO2. And we'll do health room. Oops, and let's just actually do health room. Const health room equals health room. Okay, and then we'll do health room. Let's see if there's anyone here. Nope. Health room. And we'll do to health room dot timeout. Let's do const default timeout equals 5,000. And then do default timeout, and then do emit. Okay, so what is this doing? So it's emitting to hello world. It's not going to emit hello world without broadcast with some event to client A. Okay. What is hello the key and broadcasting events? Let's do listening to events and do for the hello world example. Listener on any off any outgoing. On create user. Is there a hello world example here? Hello world. Okay. Okay. So what are we gonna do? We'll do health. No, let's do health event. Let's do health event. Do const health event equals health event and go down. Okay, got health event, and then we'll do health event. Right? Is that gonna work? Let's do back to broadcasting events. I admit broadcast event. Do I need to do? Okay, no, that's fine. Okay, so now we got that. Now should we make a client? Let's go to the client. And then let's also do, I think I'm gonna use a template engine, so let's do bun, install, save, EJS. Okay. And we'll go make their public. Nope, make their views. Remove -r public. Okay. Got views, and we'll do vim views index dot EJS. Save that. Let's go to views index EJS. So now we're gonna let's see, we're going to make a little view. I'll give it a HTML, then head, and then body. Okay, go here, I'll do that, go like that. Okay, got that, and then let's go to, where's client installation, source socket IO min.js, socket IO JS. By default, the socket IO exposes bundle at that. I will reschedule as a global variable. The thing is, we're not listing on the same host. Okay, so let's do, for now, can you do, okay, so let's actually go ahead and do, we're gonna inject the URL, I guess. We'll do script, source equals, and then this will be this. I forget what the thing is, and then this will be, let's do EJS again. EJS. Let's do EJS Express. Okay, here we go. App set view pug. That's pug. Why is it pug? Okay, let's do let's go save this real quick and get our index set up. Let's do app, let's see, dot set view engine EJS. Okay, go like that, and then we'll do app.get. This will be render now, and this will be index. Okay, go like that. And then we'll do the variables. So we'll do const index props equals this, and then we'll do what are we gonna do? Socket IO. Let's do IO server URL. I'll do this will be HTTP localhost 6476 slash whatever it was. Okay, let's go like that. Let's paste this in. Got that. Actually, let's break this up. Actually, let's do IO server and do host port. Let's do a host, and this will be this. Yank. Let's do paste. Okay, and then go like that, and then we'll do a path, and that'll be this. Why is this not formatted correctly? Okay, I know why. Okay, got that, and then we'll go back to index, and now we'll go here, and then we'll do index props, and then we'll do props. Here like that. right, just like this actually, props like that. Okay, got that. Let's go back to the index and let's look at EJS again. EJS express example. I just need the syntax. Using EJS template. Magic, creating partials. Okay. Percent and percent. Dash include. Characters. How do you do equals? Include EJS Express example. Install S Express view engine EJS. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it's just equals prompts dot io dot. Let's go back to index. It is IO server host and path. IO server host. Let's do props.io server dot path. And then, okay, let's see if that works. Props.io server.path. Okay, let's save that. Let's go to, what are we doing here? Let's do bun source index. So it's running. Let's go to now here. Path property must be of type string got object. Path. Okay, path. Oops. Let's go to index. How did it get? I'm a little confused here. How did it? What was the message? What's it say? Your path property must be of type string got object. How is it an object? Path property must be of type string got object. Okay, so let's do URL path. Maybe it's maybe it is a reserved value. Let's do URL path. URL path. Let's get back. Actually gotta restart the server, I think. Path property must be of type string got object. Fuse 56. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's the ordering of this. Render. Maybe it's yeah, okay. I think it's just these are out of order. V D. Oops. Okay. No default engine was specified. No extension was provided. So okay, I'm not sure. View engine. Okay, well, let's just do .ejs. Go back, and did it load? And let's see. Inspect. Head is empty, body is empty. How is it empty? Let's get back to index. Oh, okay, I see. So I did not finish it. And then let's get back to their import. Okay. Script. Let's get back. Run it again. And we got a head. We got our URL. And let's do okay, let's just do that, and then let's rerun it. Okay, and then let's get a network socket.io.js. Strict origin one cross origin. Okay, so it looks like it found it, but it got blocked because it's cross origin. Alright, now let's just make this a little easier. Let's see. Maybe we have a public socket.io on the Express server and a private one for the backend. Maybe. Okay, let's try out. Let's see if anyone's here. No one's here. Let's try and do health socket. IO.listen. So servers create server. IO.need server. Alright, so I can just do like strict origin and cross origin. Let's go so copy URL and just go see, make sure it actually, the site can't be reached. Why not? Oh, is it? Oh, it's not running. That's why. Okay, so let's actually do, let's open up a new tab, new window, no, new tab. Okay, new window, whatever. Let's do bun run source health socket.io. HTTP, okay, let's go back. Let's go here. Okay, now we can check. Got it. Let's do this again. Ooh, it did load. Dope. Alright, sick. Alright, so we got these. Okay, so now let's make a little, let's do let's go back here, let's close that out. Let's do vim or echo source app.js. Okay, and now let's do, actually let's do remove source app.ts, and then let's do copy source, let's do move source index source app.ts. Let's do vim and echo source index.ts. Okay, let's go here, and we should have what? What's the only source? Okay, it's actually that. Okay, I got index. Let's do import. Actually, we have nothing to import yet. Let's go here. Let's do app do let's just take all of this and do export function run app and go back, and we'll do this, okay, and then we'll do health socket, and we'll do function run health socket. Okay, go here, go like that. Okay, and then let's go to app. It should be export. Okay, did I do export on app? Yeah, okay. So let's do import run app from app.ts, import run health socket from health socket. Do I need the TS? Do I need that? We'll see. We'll see if I need the TS. Then we'll do run app. Then we'll do run health socket here, and then we'll go back to health socket. Yeah, okay, we named it right. Okay, so let's do bun source index. Okay, now let's see if everything is running. Okay, got localhost, got socket.io. Cool, so now they're both running from that main file, or the index file, which is good. Got it. Cool. Now let's see. How do we? Cool, so we got our socket server running, and we got our main Express app running with an index EJS. Okay, so we're at a good spot. Got everything running, and I'm just gonna take a little break real quick. I'll be back. Peace out.